Hi y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Something weird just happened. I was in the middle of making a video and it just stopped on me. Slime video. That's what we're going to be doing today. If you probably don't know from the title. So I need to make more because this is really bad slime. So I might as well just go ahead and start. So yeah. We're going to need some glue. Or I might just add to this. It depends. So I'm just going to be squeezing this out. Oh, make sure you go check out my fairy bread video. That was probably one of my best videos. This glue comes out so fast. Okay. Add little bits of detergent. You also need detergent. Oh, sorry, I didn't really mention that at the time. And you just want to keep stirring. If you can't tell. There it is. Not really good, but I mean, slime. So I really am. It just depends on how good this one turns out. Oh, I am using Tide detergent because that one works best. Whoa, it's just got dark. It's pouring outside. I just noticed that. So, slime mixtures. I love making slime now. It's one of my faves. I wonder if, I don't know. Let me just a bit at a time. So, I'm getting more slime stuff, more slime fun stuff. Probably sometime this week in making a video, so who knows? Add some more glue to this. I wonder if the problem was that I didn't have enough glue, and so I needed to make more. But you know, you don't want it to get too sticky. It's just it's slime here, but it's not. Now I'm going to try combining it and see if it combines together. I think that's going to combine neither, so I might just have some stickiness. Boop, boop. So I did hear that baby powder helped. And I do have baby powder. Hey Alexa, does baby powder help slime?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Alexa's terrible. Okay. Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. This is, okay, it's not bad. but at the same time, it's not good. Oh. Okay, well, we're gonna go on a little trip. We're gonna go on a trip to find baby powder. It gets dark in here. Really dark. Ooh, spooky. Light on. Light on. Baby powder. Have this baby powder. Smells like baby powder. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is just add like little dabs. Cause it says it makes it like not that sticky. I don't know, just. This is not really working. It's stretchy, but it still feels the same. Like, watch. Well, who knows? I tried. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below for more slime ideas. Who knows? I don't know. Peace out.